Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick exercise in studying lighting angles in highlighting clothing. So if you have your pencils all set, we will make ourselves a figure, a person, so an oval, and the shoulders arms, chest area somewhere around there. Whether he's a little tilted or straight, it doesn't matter because we're going to be giving him some fatigues to wear. So let's say that we're giving him a coat. So I'm just drawing suit arms here. Suit arms. Putting in a casual hand there. Okay, so let's actually do that. So that is just a traditional coat. And below, let's just have a t-shirt going right there because usually that's the evolving fashion nowadays. You have the suit or the coat or the jacket as they call it now. I guess they always called it a jacket, but I used to just call it a coat just for that formal expression. And now it's also a jacket. So we have a light source that is essentially coming in. Some cuffs there, okay. So the light source is essentially coming from, let's say, from above. So let's say from this side. So which means that the portion that is immediately in the light is like more illuminated, and what is away is darker. So that's, a challenge in itself. So now we can do this in one of two ways. Actually, I'm just going to grab this. So even before that, you could determine how you want to set out the creases and all the details. Now you could Google certain images online, and you'll see that there's a whole lot of material there that you can refer to and work with. But essentially, you just determine. So let's say that it's really dark, like when we are facing the person from that angle, and I'm just putting in some details, just guidelines for myself. Fabric does have a flow, there's straighter, what you call folds, straighter folds, but it's mostly crumpled. So you have to work your own magic there to put in your own creases, your own folds, and make it work that way. But this is this is how I'm doing it right here. And then we can just fill in the details from the side of the face there with the shadow against the light source, and I think that along the lines of this angle it will look okay. I hope this was of some help. Please do let us have your comments. Do subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.